Good morning, brothers and sisters. How are you? God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. How was your week? How was your week? God bless you so much. Please, I want to quickly share a topic today which we preached on our live service. This is just a recap of it all. Comparison is evil. Stop living the life of comparison. When you compare yourself to others, you are killing your potentials. You are killing that gift of God in your life. Comparison is like a crowd that cover your vision. You will stop seeing the light of God in your life rather than seeing the light of God in others. You are created in God's own image and likeness. You are created with a gift. The Bible says, before you were formed in your mother's womb, He knows who you be. You are the champion of your generation. Stop looking down on yourself. Look at the mirror every day of your life and say, I am the greatest. I am the best. When you start seeing other people are better off than you can't move forward. You are in a standstill. Comparison will not be generating hatred, enviness towards others. It will make you be living a life of competition, trying to compete with others who are not even competing with you. You do things that you ought not to do just to meet up with latest trend. Just because you feel that you are left alone, you are left behind. Remember, there are people behind you who are still looking up to you, thinking that you are the star of their time. But you are there killing yourself, thinking that others are better than you. Let's look at the book of 2 Corinthians 10 verse 12. He said, not that we dare to classify or compare ourselves with someone of those who are commending themselves. Those who are commending themselves, who praise themselves. But when they measure themselves by one another and compare themselves with one another, they are without understanding. Are you without understanding? And some Bible verse, and King James Version say they are not wise. They are unwise. Brothers and sisters, comparison is evil. It brings about hatred. Look at the life of Cain and Abel. Because of comparison, Cain killed Abel. Because he felt his blessing was not received by God. It brings hatred. And hatred brings resentment. And resentment brings anger that resides to evil. Comparison was why Saul was after David after he killed Goliath. If he competed, if he that David is now more better than him, it was after David's life. And that brings about the death of his son and himself. Stop competition. Stop this life of comparison. When Jesus was with Peter, telling him this was, Peter was saying, hey, Jesus, what about these other people? He said, what concerns you? If I said these people will remain here till I come back, what is it? What does it have to do with you? I tell you to go and fish. Go and preach my gospel. Forget about these people. Do what I told you. You are in the place of work. Your boss asks you to go and do this. And you are saying, no, why only me? Is it only me that will do this? What about others? Brothers and sisters, stop the life of competition. You that is in a relationship, boyfriend, stop comparing your girl to be your ex-girlfriend. Stop comparing your girl to be ex-girlfriend. Say my ex-girlfriend was like this, was better, I was like, no. You guys, stop comparing your boyfriend to be another person. See at that, look at that, he's spoiling his guy with gifts and all those things. You push that guy to do something that both of you will regret tomorrow. Stop comparing. Parents, stop comparing your children. Say this one is better than this one. This one is more brilliant than this. This one is more better than this. No. Mommy and daddy, certificate is paper. In the sight of God, is nothing. God will bless. He said, I will bless whom I will bless, and I will curse those who I want to curse. David never had a document. He never had a professor before he was anointed king. Joseph never had anything. He never went to school. He never went to Oxford before God revealed his destiny and placed him as a prime minister. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego was never graduated from any school before God delivered them. Brothers and sisters, let me tell you something. You are the best in your time. You are most beautiful in your time. Because of comparison, it brings jealousy between Rachel and Eli that make Rachel went barren for many years. Brothers and sisters, because of comparison, because of this, jealousy came between Jacob and Esau that made Esau do everything he could to take the blessing from his elder brother. Brothers and sisters, it's evil. Because of comparison, Cain killed Abel. Many people did that mention in the Bible for you. Be wise. Stop the life of comparison. It kills faster than AIDS. It kills faster than COVID-19. Comparison is evil. It makes you not to see good in yourself, rather in others. God bless you. Stop comparison today and let the light of God shine in your life. God bless you.